Okay, we're gonna take a really quick look at these garden lights. These are, of course, for outside, but we're just gonna open them up and show you because these are actually beautiful. These are metallic, not just garden lights. User's manual, how to use low voltage connections if you don't know how to use them. And this is how the light looks, but look at these pins. Hear that? I'm not sure if you can hear it, but this is actually metal. These are not plastic pins. This is your mounting screw here, but we're gonna check that in just 1 minute. Let me pull them all out. This is a set of 10 of them, so that's a lot. You can do a whole walkway or driveway, whatever you want. And these are your connectors. Nice. Let me open this up real quick just to make sure. And are they push style? Yep, they're push style. So it's like that injection. You put the wire here and you put this in like that. So it punches in the wire and makes a connection on this side when you need it. So it's actually really easy, but just let me pull everything out first, then I'll show you. And the lights themselves, that's just one of them. Fully metallic housing. There's no plastic here at all. It's all metal, and the two lead wires are right here. Nice. And this is what connects to the pin here that I was trying to tell you, but just give me a second. Let me pull them all out, and then we can have some fun. Okay, so this is kind of ready to go right now, actually. Let me just pull just one of them before we bolt outside. Let me open it up, and it has some wire, but of course the low voltage wiring, you will have to provide that depending on the distance you're looking to do this work. How you install the light itself, take one of these little screws right here and take this thing, boom, just like that, put it through here. As you see, that little hole right there, and put the pin in like this. Just spin it by hand till it reaches a point that you see it starts spinning inside, and then literally all you have to do, just use the Allen key that comes with them to hold the one inside, and like this. That's it. Now just go plant it wherever you want to put it, and you can spin it however you wish. Got that. Well, let me go install them and see them working in real life. So let's do this. Okay, so before I do anything, my wire that I'm gonna use for this is a 14 gauge. I mean, I don't think you need 12 gauge on this one. Even 16 gauge would be more than adequate, but I'm going with 14 because that's what I had handy. And I wanted to explain to you the connection part of it, that I've done a video like this before and everybody was up in their arms about how I did not explain the connection. And in my mind, I assumed that it was the easy part. Well, I was wrong. It was not the easy part for most people. So these things, that's what I was asked to go back and do again. Now, in your garden lighting, I'm going to use a Dwell. It's a 300 watt transformer, and you designate out of it, you know, you have ground, common, and 12 volt, right? In this case, we have only common and 12 volt. It can go up to 24 volt, but I'm going to use a 12 volt system. What do you do here is that, let's say I want to designate this as my 12 volt and this as my common. Now you want to make sure that in the rest of the connection, you designate it appropriately here too. So you make this 12 volt and this your common, because these two connect to the box, and it must continue the same exact way the entire line. And how you do the connection with this little tiny thingy here, well, this is easy. You just take this bottom part out that has this kind of slit on the middle, right? And put it, let's start with a common, right? And we put it here, and we try to stab it as much as on the middle as possible. As you see, there's like a needle. Now make sure that needle goes straight and there's no cross threading on this part here, and you should be good to go to make a connection right there. Now, how do you connect this part here? Well, that's very easy. You open this little thingy right here. Well, you don't fully take it out, just when you see that it's kind of moving free. Now, this we said was common. We take the common wire here and put it around. You see, it will stop itself at the piece of metal, and all you do, you just close this. It'll start grabbing it, and if you were successful, give it a tug. If it doesn't come out like this, you're good. But if it comes out like this, you're not good. Then you have to do it again and make sure that you're actually putting it inside there. So it finds like a small, as you see right now, it's in. That means it went around that piece of metal that you might see in there. That's the whole point. This goes around the piece of metal like this. Just wiggle it sometimes, it will find it. Yeah, right there. Now it should be good to go. And just lock it back on like this. I don't think you need any tool for this here. And that's it. Now it's not going anywhere. And we will do exactly the same thing on the other side. Let me grab another connector right here. So as you see, it's very easy, but somehow first time I did the video with these, I assumed that everybody knew this on garden lighting. And maybe it was my mistake of making assumptions. So that's why I'm dedicating some more time now to this. And make sure, yep, this has gone in and it's ready to go. Release this to some point. No need to fully take it out. And make sure you wiggle this around the metal. Yep, right there. That's it. Now we should be good to go. And that's it. These are rated. They can stay out in the garden like this. If you don't want to cover them, they're good. So that's how you make the installation, and you just continue with the rest of the lights that you might have alongside until you're done. And pretty much that's it. I'm gonna go outside and put a few of them. I may not put all of them because I have a lot to do, but for now you'll see it yourself that that's how I'm gonna connect them. So let's go do something. So this is gonna be my power source here, and the beauty of this one is that it has different zones. Not sure if you can see it. COM 1 and 2 or common have 12 volt or 15 volts, have zone 2 and zone 1, and that's it. It's that simple. So I'm gonna connect the common on 1 here and the second one here on 12. I have nothing to do with a 15 at this time, and if I install more than these, I would go on zone 2 so you can separate them. And when it's plugged in, this has like a little display thingy here that tells you what's going on, and it's actually been, and the lights are looking really pretty. I put on with some of these here for now, but later on I'm gonna install more. And look at that, shining straight to the flower, to the vegetation, and all the beauty of them. Now of course you would want to hide that wire a little bit better, but I'm leaving it for the sake of the video. But look at that, shining bright and nice, and that's what I call really beautiful. Look at that. Here is just hitting the fig just because I wanted to. That's all. Very simple. And it makes the whole garden actually look beautiful. Look at the light they hit from under. I really love that. And besides that, I don't know what else to tell you. That you can go all around the whole garden if you need to. And that's it. And I have to put this on a pole. For now, I just left it here. It's a wireless one that I showed you earlier. You can command it with an app, but that's, you know, neither here nor there. What matters here is this lighting section that we're working with, and I'm going to install the rest too. But for now, for the video, I'll do this one. Just to install the rest, I have to do a lot of work on that side of the garden, and I just don't have the time right now. But my whole plan is to put all around and go on the other side too, and maybe put some on this big tree here too. But for now, well, this will do it, and I say these are actually a big success. I like it. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you learned something. As you see, they are very easy, simple, and they look absolutely beautiful.